Alright, so let us call this part 2. Let us call this part 2. Oh, I know this. So we're unboxing stuff, either what I bought or from the baby registry, in preparation for the little one. So welcome back to my channel. This is probably a part 2 of 3 series or 4. Oh my god. I saw this big one. You can't take out this. So this is the baby breezer bottle washer. Right? It's supposed to wash, rinse, sterile, dryer, sort of something. All in one. So we can't move this right now. So I'm gonna go ship it out and get the next box. Alright. Bachelor. Let's see what's in here. You guys have an Amazon storefront, please follow, share, like my list. If you like anything you can purchase from my list, I may get a commission from it. May, not sure. No guarantee. So everything will be in the description box below. Oh wow. Alright. This is a Grow With Me bathtub from my aunt. Thank you so much, auntie. Yeah, I can't lift that either. Oh my god. I'm so tired. Can't lift that out. Them box are big now. What? Oh. Yes, Jesus. Why? Alright. This just come. Guys, this is a gift from my little brother. He won a prize. This is prize that he won from the gender reveal. He said he wanted a new earphone. And this now is a nice little travel rack set. So you can open and fold, put the bottles on to dry, everything that you need. I got it on sale. I said, follow me. I have Amazon promo codes for several stuff. So you can check into that. Let's see what's in this. Oh. Alright, so I bought one of these on Shein. No, Shein on a bit less quality. So I got these on sale. Hopefully this works. In the bathroom. Okay, what's this? Well, these are some cargo pants. From men. This is nursing bra, pack of 3 with extendable hooks. What else? I think Okay. Oh, I'm tired. What's this? Here's a play mat. Whoa, Jesus. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, this is a activity mat. I think this was lucky. I think so. Thank you so much again. Jesus, I'm tired. I'm not oat meat. So I'll stay like that. Alright. This is a baby bouncer. I'm tired, Jesus. A baby bouncer. It's a grow with me, baby bones, and rock seat. From newborn to toddler up to 40 pounds. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this is what. Oh, this is a, thank you, Tony, for this. It's a baby diaper caddy. Right? And I think this one is the next caddy, but is the one with the wheels. I think I'll attempt to take out that right now. As I said, until I can lift out, I put a photo. Until I can lift. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna see what's in this. So these are the medulla. Oh my, these are the medulla breast milk storage bags. This Earth Mama nipple butter. It's a manual breast pump from Lancino. Got this on a deal. A baby, a rear car seat mirror. Let's check it if it's okay, same way. Same way. Got this on a really good deal. This is Honest shampoo and body wash. And this is the Baby Buddha portable breast pump kit. Alright. This was in this. Oh. Okay, this is an outfit. This way, oh, big, you know, I pull it out, you know. Let me see. Oh, so cute. So cute, these Christian clothes. And I put on more. So, yeah. And that's all for the garage. They're more inside. Maybe a kick once that's a rest. So we'll be back for part 3. Part 3.